The small caps are special characters that appear in uppercase but are smaller in size. The use of all caps is commonly used to improve the readability of the articles. First, click Edit. Open the toolbar. Select the paragraph where small caps needs to be set. Select Small Caps at the bottom of the Home tab, then all lowercase letters are in uppercase. Note, if the selected texts are in uppercase, then they cannot shrink in size. For example, select the uppercase characters, then click Small Caps. You will find that the format of the text remains the same. We can check the before and after contrast effect after setting. It is clear that smaller caps function improves the concentration. Besides, we can turn the text into all caps with one click. Select the text, click All Caps next to Small Caps. Download WPS Office on PC and discover its many free yet practical features.